Hello friends, today we are going to write lesson number 19 subject science constituents of food workbook question answers. Let's get started. Question number 1, filling the blanks. First one, dash in our food give us the ability to resist disease, vitamins. Second, calcium makes our bones strong. Third one, foodstuff that taste sweet contains various kinds of sugar. Fourth one, a diet that provides all the constituents of food in the right proportion is called balanced diet. Answer balance. Fifth one, sugar cane juice contains sugar called sucrose. Answer is a sucrose. Sixth one, the condition is called anemia when there is a deficiency of iron in the body. Answer anemia. Seventh one, if food does not contain enough fiber, it can lead to constipation. Answer constipation. Now moving to the next question, question number 2. Underline the correct word. First one, in sago and potato there is a starch, protein. Correct answer is a starch. Second, when a piece of bread is slowly chewed, it tastes sour or sweet. Answer sweet. Third one, fiber is also called roughage stool. Answer roughage. Fourth one, the white part egg yolk of the egg is fatty substance. Answer egg yolk. Fifth one, oil makes the paper opaque translucent. Answer translucent. Now next question number 3. Give two sources of each of the following food constituents. First one, minerals, fruits, leafy green vegetables and sprout. Second one, proteins, and answer paneer, fish, eggs. Third one, starch, and answer potato, sago, rice and bread. Now question number 4, write two examples of each. First one, carbohydrates. The answer is sugars, starch, fibers. Second one, vitamins. Answer vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C and D. Third one, sugar. Answer sucrose and glucose. Fourth one, minerals. Answer calcium and iron. Now next question number 5. Match the columns. Column A, answers, and column B. First one, fats. Answer oil. Second one, proteins. Answer pulses. Third one, vitamins. Answer bran of cereal. Fourth one, minerals. Answer iron. Fifth one, starchy foods. Answer jowar. Now next question, question number 6. Answer the following questions. 1. Of what use are the sugars that we get from digestion of starch? The sugars formed from digestion of starch are burned slowly. While burning, they release energy. The sugars thus act as fuels. This energy is used for different kinds of work. It also keeps the body warm. Now next question, name the sources of fiber in our diet. Answer, bran in the flour of grains, whole grains and pulses, fruits, vegetables and especially their skin, sprouted pulses with their skin, green leafy vegetables are all sources of fibers in our diet. Now third one, what are carbohydrates? The answer, the energy providing food constituents. which consist of starch, sugars, and fibers, are called carbohydrates. Next, question number 4. Next, question number 4. What is meant by malnutrition? Answer. If a person's diet lacks proper constituents of food for long time, then this person does not get proper nourishment. Such type of condition called malnutrition. Next, question number 5. What is a balanced diet? The answer, the diet that include proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals in a right quantities is called balanced diet. Next, give examples of fatty substances. Answer: cream, butter, ghee, oil, nuts, meat, egg yolk, etc. Seventh one, how is fat stored in the body? When is it reused? Answer, the excess of fats in the diet are stored in the body under the skin. When the fats are more in diet than required for the body, they are stored at different places in the body. If food is not available for some time, then the body can get energy from the stored fats. Now question number 7. Give reasons. First one, sugar cane is sweet to taste. Answer is, sugar cane has sugar called sucrose. Therefore, sugar cane is sweet to taste. Now, number 2, the flour of any grains should not be sifted. Answer, the flour contains particles of bran. When the flour is sifted, this bran is left behind on the sieve. The bran particles are larger and hence they are removed from flour is sifted. This bran contain vitamins and minerals and it also gives roughage. This bran is fiber which helps in movement of the food in the alimentary canal. Fibers in the bran helps to form stools from the undigested food. Because of such benefits, bran should not be removed. Thus, the flour should not be sifted. Third one, an injury from the outside of the body does not at once cause damage to internal organs. Answer, there is a layer of fat on the internal organs and this layer protects the delicate internal organs. Therefore, even if there is an injury from the outside the body, it does not at once cause damage to the internal organs. Fourth one, boiled egg is one of the best nourishing food. Answer, in a boiled egg there are proteins and fats. It also has vitamins A, B and D. There are many minerals such as calcium, phosphorus and potassium in it. Therefore, an egg provides good nourishment. Question 8. Use your brain power. First one. Why do we feel hungrier in winter than we do in summer? Answer. In winter, the weather is cool. We need more calories to keep our body warm. Therefore, we need more energy. To get more energy, there should be enough nutrients in the body. When we feel hungrier, we take in more food. More food give us more energy to keep our body warm. In summer season, such need is not there. So that's why we feel hungrier in winter than the summer. Second question, why do we use padding of cloth under a mortar when we place it on the floor and pound something in it? Answer, while pounding the substance in a mortar, there could be jerks to the floor. The tiles of the floor can break. Therefore, a padding of cloth has to be placed between the mortar and the floor to absorb these shocks and jerks. Next, third one, do we get all the different constituents of food from thali pit that consist of green vegetable eaten with yogurt? Answer, in the thali pit there is a mixed flour of rice, dals and pulses. This flour gives carbohydrates and proteins. While roasting the thali pit, oil or butter is applied on it. Even fats are present in it. If greens are added to the flour, there would be vitamins, minerals like iron and refuge added to the flour. Curds also provide protein, carbohydrates, fats, and vitamins. Hence, meals consisting of green veg thali pit eaten with yogurt is a complete meal with all the food constituents. Now, fourth one, which food constituents do we get from the ingredients used to make a bhel? Answer, the kurmura in the bhel is a carbohydrate. The grams and peanuts are rich in proteins. The shave it also contains proteins. Chutney made from dates have sugars and minerals like iron. Pudina used in bhel is rich in vitamins, minerals and high in fiber content. If lemon or raw mango is used, the vitamin C content is also high. However, if bhel is purchased from a roadside shop, it may have microorganisms and contaminants and it can cause illness. Next, fifth one, why are children told to drink milk every day? Answer, milk has almost all the food constituents. It has carbohydrates, sugar, and protein. Rich in vitamin A, B, and D. The calcium content of milk is also quite high. Milk is easy to digest. It gives energy. The growth and development of the body is faster when milk is taken in our everyday diet. What's the solution? First one, the body requires an adequate quantity of protein. Answer, body requires lots of proteins for bodybuilding. There is a constant wear and tear of the body that is also taken care of by protein. So large amount of proteins should be in diet. For vegetarian people, different dals, pulses, groundnuts, grams, paneer, soya bean have to be included in diet. For non-vegetarian people, fish, meat, eggs are excellent sources of proteins. Everyday diet should include sprouted pulses, milk and milk products. Third one, what substances do we use to give our food a sweet taste? Answer, we can use sugar, jaggery, honey, fruit juice, dates, ripe bananas, sugarcane juice. Fourth one, of the food that we eat raw, which one are sweet? Answer: ripe fruits, honey, milk, sugarcane juice, jaggery are the food items which are eaten raw and are sweet. Okay, friends, here your lesson number 19, Constituents of Food, workbook writing is over and completed. I hope you understand very well. Thank you for watching.